Charlie.
Yeah. It's me. How you feeling, kid?
Okay, how are you?
I've come to say goodbye.
Where are you going?
Slow trip. Listen, Squeak, alright? I want you to do something for me, alright? I want you to take care of Itchy. You know, while I'm gone. He's got a home now, and, well, he doesn't have anybody.
Don't worry, Charlie. I will.
Great. Well, goodbye, little buddy.
Oh, Charlie, I'll miss you.
Yeah. I'll miss you too, Squeaker. You go back to sleep now.
Charlie, will I ever see you again?
Sure. Sure we will. You know, goodbyes aren't forever.
Then, goodbye, Charlie. I love you.
Yeah.